Senya sema yenka. Eye den ena Randy Abbey. Ono nasifi Prampram. Mpuano. Obi akoko okra ohun bida. Ono ena Mahama bekako yinu se omeye cocoa board CEO. Onko negotiate cocoa deal. Na ombe tumu mawu cocoa kweni. Gana ni uye mobo. Kweni uye mobo. Na we ya bet dada o se cocoa. Ye baba betum 6,500 Ghana cedis to 7,000. De bia NDC beba power bia. Jise cocoa hu ba sem. Rollins time. Cocoa hu ba sem to the point say chucha cocoa no di dua sunflower. Atamas Mahama time. Ama for chucha cocoa no di dua rubber. Ene Mahama sa kwa babium. The second independent. And he say cocoa no wabe dada wabe scammy wa. Ene ama for kwa tu ogun cocoa dia koye galamsey. Ono kasa kofa galamsey in the form of gold board dia ba say oba beto gold. Ebe 2 galamsey. Asa na krobofo be hu se kwisi na me de won. Na kanfo awe ni nyina amanasa. Asa na Ghana ni be hu nyansa won. Na NDC
I hope so be
na we nyi ewu.
Na say be na otwini die mu nua be ma. Me na me ho mfa me. Code bi eto che me so ma malaria bi de ne ho jim. Ewrade adom ene de ahoden wo ho. Ya be ma ye nyina ye ho ya akọ. Breach ye kese ye bo ye na anoda. Ya maame agimai konadu mommy yesre nyame so onfa okra nsi mayen na awia die me ne Ghana difo na edi nkomo kakra ya papa no mo difo a nyankopon da oman hu ahintasema di kiremo ye beto aba mumu bi ahintasema nyame da na di akiremo ne fa oman hu mo de kokobo bere yen timamufo titiru ni yewura owusu bempa obeka kire yen se yenhwe yiye pa ni ama His Excellency John Dramani Mahama second chance bi enya sa ni ebeba o man yiso no yentumi daddy moma mo ho kwan na yadi sika ne aduane esesa asabi nyankopon adi ye ode ma mo se momfa mayen na ye na ye ho so ne ko wi akire mo besan etwa mo ho ka kire o man yi se His Excellency John Dramani Mahama asesa na okura komapa kame yakoyese afi ba akope yede ni si akonwa so wo se Ghana atitiru nyina ewufiri o man we mu ye ka no kura akire mu a yemfa ehu ne beka no kura wi na yensuro NDC his speech ni yede bekasa say enuane ni sika na yede ma amu a motu nyankopon anu mu asa motwene ye ebe hye nkom toro kire wo man we a afi ba akọ ni o man ye huhu ni esisi eburukuro we so no monpaki nuane ni nwuo na monfa mo yam ntuo nimu wadansu nwu nyankopon so nsire nyame mayen se mo eni so ade hu na oda na di kire mo no mo de kwaji sika ne aduane ewuro wusu bempa daddy obeka kire ye nkuro we mu se mayem ma His Excellency John Dramani Mahama second chance bi onkura komapa osan babeka kire yen se wasesa ene kaase kohwe na nkura dunsia awu helicopter tetofom a ne nipa nwotwe awu ye beda asore na atitiru ekọ no enya afi baako na wo se kuroyimu atitiru enyina afiri kuroyimu ti ye ka kire mo se boni amudi wo mayi no munnuane na ye de bere mu ni musika no momfa nwuo ne mo kaase no na munsunsire nyankopon ma yen na kotobeku na amodi abesankan ye komu kuroyimu no adoso ye ka no kura kire mo ye mfa hu emfa wuo ni suro yankopon da asabi na diye aye no kura diye kire mo na mo me di sika ne aduane ye di koye yam sabi eja ye nan esesa no ene na ebe wiye yesei abewie yesei ya hyehye mo abo ye besi aso odan ya mamo ni aye kwan ya mamo de kania edi esum anim enene abewie o man sei ti yesere mo aduru bere wo samode mo yam eto wo esugu nyankopon so esere urade mayen e okuro we mu na ni yesisi no eboro yeso so wo man emabunu a More voice out. Say Sam George Akoshia NDC content creators. Momi yanka no krenjire mo. Na wa mfere mo no. Sabi obi ani wo disika beto wo maame ya firi wonsam obu nyansani bi. Adwuma papa bi ani wo asabi NDC aban ede mo ye ni kuro yi mu wo se omuhu mu anyansafo NDC mabu no ne TikTokers momi yanka no krenjire mo. Say soma mo sa mo nko kan kire hiafo say free secondary school nya papa eno ni nyansa NDC mabu no mo se Sam George Akoshia nyansafo ko penyansa e de aye adwuma wa mfere mo no nyansa bia ni we wo mu ni mutirim ye ka no kora kire mo mo nko kan kire abatan say free secondary school hiani wa mabroni otisa hwibe ko bi no enya papa eno ni nyansa mi buza mo Mon kanjire koko akuafo said you befa koko free 3 million dikosi 31 million no enye na mo betum akọ 70 million eno ni nyanza mi busa mo NDC content creators amugu app isu se Sam George Akoshia nyansafo no wamfrɛ mo nya nyansafo wiase obi ani ho asabi odisika beto wo maame ya firi wonsa obobu nyanza ni bi because adwuma no amode mo ye ni kurom ha no na nyansa bi ani nyansa bi anim anesefo a John Dramani Mahama ka kire wo mai se eno de ni be na ban be ko opposition enfa no ko ontu omoka akufu ado be restore malawa a mo kok da anesefo aka kire mo se sa nipa no obetu omalawa na nya papa eno ni nyanza no e mabunu ye de mo ne na ma wiam ye nkwase adwuma ni buzamu eno ni nyansa enti Sam George nkofere mo de nyansa no wo beti afiri mo Sam George afa na mahu se wo penyansa e de aye adwuma ya min hira so wan frɛ sa tibon nkotofo papa hwe akwa nkwase afo no waya ade nipa ya de mu ye sumu hu nwuma aban no yi kwan epeti nkuro ha ya no mo nko kan kire Ghana fo so wanya hwe enu ni nyansa de amo ye no kuro yi mu anu nti Sam George mefrɛ nhia mo oh dabi muntumuna munya nyansafo mate muntumuna abusuafo ye mamu nyina good afternoon. I hope so be a hoye nansen be na otwini die munua be ma me nana me ho mfa me code bi eto hye me so ma malaria bi de ne ho gi
ono sentro a okasa oni Ghana fo akasa na yenkohwe agini mboaten yenkohwe ne video nimra
me interview me ba me di nyame asembe bro MPP muntie MPP for muntie ni yi mamu nye mistake da ense sam flag bearer na odi mu anim no mo ba report o men Canada o muntie ni yi sabe Ghana no your western part your northern part your eastern part your greater part your Ashanti part baby ni pe free biara se wo ye Ghana ni de odi ade ye yi MPP nhwe na munyi tribal politics amoye ni mfrim na Ghana for the omani hwe Ghana they are watching you people me hunu ye nka mo ba ye mo ba to ba na mo yi obi am na be di party na ni mo the policies se we gina wa won kan de obetimi ayede abo party when kan de obetimi ayede abo party Again, Abba, Afedia, as a Mose party anymore, because all of you want to become the flag bearer of the new patriotic party. Again, Abba. Eti dia mo kike naba kuko winia ebede na ba kwet me support no. Said dia mo yam niemen. MP bro. Empenifu wo mo form na nsi form. Because a bit more agenda some omo be destroy party no. A bit more serious agenda some be say party no. Na mamin can be o say MPP mu ye mistakes some flag bearer Ghana for hwemu. Mo ba regret it. Mo ba in opposition be say 20 years. E your strategy and the nipa bi na ma sofo bi so eye. Meka asemu ebio MPP and lusu abatu amoto ya just because of bad performance. but because of party no for no muasem and a man PP elu support all, and they are still doing the same thing to bring the party down. Delegates mama money na ho, mama money ena ho. Na enipa bi wo party no ma wo ma je pass on be se party no kora mama money na ho. Me kebio say Ghana hana ye wo no sesiya Ghana sesiya ye wom no we your mampani His Excellency John Dramani Mahama ewie na juma the best choice Ghana betimi do mani atoso Dr. Baumia say o mampani wie na juma the best choice na Ghana ni bia hwede ekoso MPP ma delegate asem mamon say party no Ghana ni da so Ghana ni bia wo ye badwene ba ebe hunu se Mahama o mampani His Excellency Gonja this year say owie na juma the best choice Ghana betimi do mani atoso Dr. Baumia. Now there is agenda be a ekoso eye den NDC for emom fighting for somebody to become a flag bearer because they know say it will be a cheaper side. Chama bokodia yada Yesu ase.
All right, so where video etosuminu na etosumiensa no Prophet Samuel Jima Labi ana Samuel Labi Jima o komiso kumas no bezi na oyesofo bi a ne nkyerɛkyerɛ tonkrofo aso pa na endra video bi a pop up emso ne Kwame Tanko wo Lawson ene yesa interview no na asɛm a waka no emu odu na emu so do pa nyansa ewum na waka nyame adwene pomye ko ha video ne mra.
It will be an error. Say a Christopher Betanasema be a Cramoni Abbey Julia. What will you say
now from the what point now or come from a point where who say Cramoni Baby Disua Cramusum be yekese Amanyame Soma conform Ama Cramusuma Kunkuma Christopher Nina there. Any the orkan meneni jitum wo kremoni be president sikani nyina kon kremofo wona egunse nyire be kuom nyina Christopher be kuom na magana be dane and mediato but senti sadia and na wo expose we Christopher ne say adinti na chenchina wo pese Christo ni no na be ye bra ye tre tradition and answer ye wo Muslims and ye wo the Christian na ye nyina ya ka bom na wo pese ba ko pe na ye okay edu pese o chem say any Christopher ba na o ma anyere o mo hunjo mu hia another chance na una we expose Christianity so wunim dia jai mo obi nso mbra ma ye ne ehu se wahu difference so wahu se ye ka kire mu se kremoni ba o ntumi wayere ho a wo mpese obi be ba da bia ba akofo kwa asore nkwa na ebe ene na mu obiribi amudi isie because ye ma mu biribi wo kristosumu edimu mo antimi anwa na ye miensa ye ma memma ye miensa eden na didi yesu obi adi a eyeye na chenchina wo de osi enku a na wo ma bi chance wo ma si chance ebreko asi ba wo nkum yen ebreko bi ba wo nkum yen na wo die na wo kata so. So I believe that some people will be a bias towards the calling. It is some people are just projecting that which they can have voice. Ekoye Christianity or son daya obeti. By ekoye kremwa and show be shon konkrana. Obeja to no aka cho se wonso nu imam. Ekokasa imam ukokasa ebro no be mo atono akoye sareka ba wo de ba ye nso side ya nka 100,000 bi de ye beje o pa cause oil ne bo
interest na wo come
ho na me pese me because ye nyina ye nipa wonim amam amanyo nya sore yo kwa wonim nyame ka asem bi kire me hwe edu asore a onyame pe the anointed one but eduru omanya onyame pe the man who has the nation at heart. Asori de ye pede won wosre nim nyamsem but o man de ye pede wo dwene wo man ne ho no ne de wo man edu ba ye chinchire se Christopher nko amra de a ene ye nyintum se ye nche Ghana mu miensa niema so called wiasefo anasa baifon samanfo nkotron baabi ye nuanu Muslimin tron baabi na ye nso entene baabi ne ye nyina ehunu se ye Christopher nko a eba ne sa ye nye election bio ye koda de ye beso da ye no ne ye de no aba anopa ye nyina Ghana ye morning devotion 7 to 9 iwi ane ye nyakwa adwuma ne ato correction ne ehunu se ye your mind wo nyame mu. It cannot even happen.
All right, so where Prophet Samuel Jima Labi ena moti nka se ono so o kasaye Nina has to do with the same NPP primaries. The third video, the mama Ayirma Bemnefi Mako, the other part, Prophet Najagezi. Also Kasao Aluta FM. One Miami near Penny Fifi Pratt, and then my former colleague Kingdom FM Fifi Pratt, and Prophet Najagezi, and so ne Fifi Pratt Edi and come on Yanka Jangum near Henny.
Nanya mi ejuma koso no watena TV so radio so because of whatever na or say nyaminju ejuma. I'm a student of history. I did history at Legon. Obi bia or say nyami ejuma no nyami chia ne kasa na njuma tie. Nyami chia ne kasa na njuma tie. Saba choti ase so obi jina ma nyami ejuma. So obi jina ma nyami asafo. And I like to get last I wrote something, people call me, they are assassins and they will come and kill you here. Tell me, kind of correct. Then you survive here. I thank God. I am doing the work of God genuinely. You will sit on radio, baba, you are fake, you are fake. Do you know what it takes to be fake? That you see, does he know what it takes? All the prophet are fake, some of the prophet, and you will sit down and say, you are coming to I saw for now come on for those who are fake. That's it. What is the measure of fake? I'm a degree holder for Christ's sake. My quadruple, no wamba, my bobra. I think at my age of 41, and I'm by 41 can only be. You just sit on TV, no one microphone juma. Who put your big mommy to TV so now good anymore? Who does that? In any serious country, that guy should have been in jail. In any serious country. And I say, I know the MPP. I know the discerning delegates of MPP. I know they will punish him. They will punish him. Ghanaians are not stopping. Sorry to say. They say, his name irritated. If he ain't cast that before.
Aluta,
95.9.
The voice of the people.
Want to me radio.
Debia Ghana for can we say so we are prophet and this out to Mujra politics.
You can't do politics.
Yeah.
You can't run a nation without prophets, without men of God. Any landed person knows say in Israel, in the states. Let's even go to Athens where democracy began. You can't administer the affairs of a state without the role of religion. When it comes to religion, the prophet play a major role, the apostle play a major role, the teachers, the evangelists, the pastors. So they do. So they do. Yeah.
It's about the Sunday. I was a Ghana for Jai prophets because they say your friends say papa bako out of Swati Diwo say Reverend also be part.
Yeah. Let me correct this. So big count Facebook send me call Kennedy Japan. I never went there to beg Kennedy Japan, and I'll never beg him because I've not done anything to him. What it is was that he was going to release homosexual tape about senior men of God in the country, which would have brought a disaster to the body of Christ. And senior men of God called me, say young call coming it down. And he said sometimes when somebody is a dog, you pet the person to cage the person, and at the appropriate time you deal with the person. Somebody I say, I'm not one of the cowards. But he doesn't feed me. And he can feed me. I'm not one of the people he feeds. Yeah, I said, senior men of God called me. Yeah. Said, we had a tape that he was going to lie on certain senior men of God that they were homosexuals. You see, the pain in me concerning that man, a lot of people don't know. He would have crashed it. You see, the church is a spirit which no mortal man can crash it. But you see, we're good in you know me all the way from London. Me a crashing it. This man can sit on TV and say I'm a murderer. My kids are in London. You know me in London. You've not met me anywhere. See the make up poasie. One will be a me bay suffer and midi meko anyway kenke sa fanti kenke. One will be a cop poasie or dimeko and fanti kenke that. I mean it's ridiculous.